Okay, hello students. This is how to write an email 101. You should be in your email, Gmail, I'm in Outlook. You will click new message. You will click new message. And I will write an email to myself. This is Mr. HB, by the way. Type it in, and what do you know? You will add a subject. Turning in work. That way your teacher knows what you are emailing about. Hello, greeting, Mr. HB. This is Joshua Hurley-Bruno. You should tell us who you are, because if your email is nightwing7577@gmail.com, we do not know who you are. I am attaching my work for the week. If you need to email an attachment, I'm sure you know how to do that. It's this button down here. Last one, greeting right here. Tell us who you are. Tell us what you're emailing for with a subject. And last but not least, watch this one. Thanks. That goes a long way. We're all working hard out here, and thanking somebody goes a long way. You then click this little button, send. Boom. Hope that helps. You should also use this in Teams when you say hello to a teacher. Say hello, not just something like, did you get my work? Maybe, hello, Miss Myers. Did you get my work? Thanks. Click send. We hope you're all well. Stay safe. Talk to you soon.